See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Wait till be this. Hello. They say this guy don't go allegedly. They say this guy don't buy you. Now the news where they everywhere be that too. They say she don't buy. Ah. Now this money I see for legit. King Michi is dead. Management confirms. Management confirms are passing after drinking poisonous substance. Management revealed that despite the best efforts of the medical team in Abuja, King Michi's condition was deemed critical and she could not be revived. It surfaced that the influencer's mother fainted in Lagos upon hearing the news and was rushed to a separate medical facility. The tragedy followed a period of extreme social media pressure, including a public fallout with a first-class monarch. So, as you can see, in an emotional statement released early hours of Saturday, today, February 28th, her team disclosed that she passed away at Prime Hospital despite medical efforts to stabilize her condition. Now go ask Grok. Grok does say yes. According to multiple reports, a statement from a management, King Michi, renamed Mukoro Miche, a Nigerian social media influencer and philanthropist, has passed away. Her team posted an emotional announcement on her official Instagram page, stating that she died after her condition became critical. Her condition became critical. Her official page. That means they also have the login. Anyway, make I no waste your time with this Grok response because now almost the same thing we would first see. And the matter they shake me. I say, make it not be true. That's why I said yesterday, say, I beg. The dragging is okay now because nothing what they never redeem. Me, if person tell me say, I don't cut my hand, I dey believe. Here, I dey believe. Me, I believe, but I don't want to make it be true. Say, don't buy, but I believe. Or another reason not to believe. Now, she say, very dark man posted this on his Instagram page. RIP, very dark man. 1994 to 2026. I said, this guy get mind. He get mind. He say he said dog pie because after King Michi drank, what did she drink? Very dark man also drank his own. Say they won't go me for that side. Look at the management of the hospital. They can't come up and say, nothing like that. They no bring her come their place. Prime care. So you can see the management of prime care hospitals wishes to inform the public that the announcement of the alleged death of Miss Mukoro Miche, popularly known as King Michi, at our facility in Abuja is false. King Michi was never a patient in our hospital and did not pass away here. We are working with authorities to investigate the source of this misinformation and we take all necessary legal actions against those responsible. Please verify information through our official channels before sharing. Management, Prime Care Hospitals, Abuja and Lekki, Lagos. You see and so because they say that this hospital allegedly, like she put, they say no be them. Which one be this? Out of many hospitals where they this world, why be saying our own because they mention? You see and so until now, around 11 a.m. Saturday, somebody don't die about say 7 hours ago. We never see videos, never see anything. No. Let's see you say, make you wake up. You know, just run away like that. Too.
What am I hearing? Say King Mishi don't buy. No, don't do that. Don't do that. King Mishi, stay with me. Stay with me. Don't even do that. Don't hurt yourself. Stay with me. Stay with me. King Mishi, I go head you because we never start. Stay with me, King Mishi. Anything you people want to do to revive her, please let me know. Anything you need, medical assistance, anything. We need to bring King Michi back to life. Even the angels are waiting heaven. They go flog her because how can you just go like that when we have a lot of our don't go there. King Michi, stay with me, stay with me. Stay with me. You need to be accountable for the things that you do. See, you are not going to Mirabelle us again. I think you young Gen Zs think that anytime you misbehave and they want to call you for accountability, you're going to use deaths and suicide. They threaten us. No, we'll kill you, dear. Are you okay? When you do something publicly and it cast, you come out publicly and say sorry. Now it make us controversial. You get? Remember that time when they talk say I thief house, when they handcuff me. I came to the internet and I said, no, now sorry, oh, now liar, not keep person, oh. You must come and be accountable. You are going nowhere. Oh, lo. So you young people want to mirror us again. You Gen Z think that you can just run your mouth. King Michi, I want you. And they pay me when I talk to small children, they know they hear. You see, Anna? Now they listen to elders. If you don't listen to elders, you forget people will go back you up, people like me. You know they hear word. Because you get Shey Tinubu number. Because you get, no. Now we get social media space, so you go deal with me. Right? So King Michi, you did not renovate the school. You even sent your mother. Oh my God, this is very disappointing. Trust me. You can't tell me that. Then you came to brag that you renovated a school in 6 days. Now, all those big men, they don't follow you because your mouth, they run like tap. You wanted to prove to society that you're well connected, so you get powerful men around you. Madam, wake up, wake up. Because there's a lot of questions I want to ask you. You will wake up from that sleep and slumber. In fact, now, let me go on my knees and start to pray to God to bring you back to life. The same way. Oh, pastor used to pray for people who don't buy. King Michi, I pray for you today. Heavenly Father, raise her from the dead. Raise her from the dead. Raise her from the dead. What God cannot do does not exist. King Michi, wake up. Wake up. Come and tell us. You must give accounts. Even as you reach that heaven gate, they go stop you, tell you, say, Mother, quite explain what you carry all those charity money they do. King Michi, deal with me. Deal with me, because you have to either come and explain what you have been doing with public funds, or you just come out and apologize and move on with your life. A word is enough for the wise. I advise you for my video, listen. Like they used to say, when the gods want to kill a man, they first of all make him deaf.
The way where this country be so, be like me I go come out to. I go Gabon or Ivory Coast, me I dey watch now from far. I need to leave this country, go Gabon or Ivory Coast, even Seme. Make I dey watch now from far. They watch now with telescopes. So much drama, the confused person. When I saw this news, I dey fear. I can't say, bury that man, the thing not even shake hand. I said, what type of person be this? See Blessing, because they break a version. I said, wait till be this. Or does she want a closure to this pressure when they give her? She don't want further pressure. She can't dey prank with death. Because me, I no can understand the girl. She can't dey prank with death. I no want make it be true. That's why they talk like this. I no want make it be true. I want to believe it is a prank. I want to believe God is a prank. Michi, I pray say na prank. If na like this one, may they close the matter. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Because I no want make it be true. I beg still, unless you dey live your life with public validation. Some people there, na public validation they live with. You are good, you are special, thank you, you are great. Me, I not saying though. Tell me I'm great, thank you. Tell me say you are foolish, thank you. Public validation. Because some people there, na that public validation be their food. If they still say the validation won't come out as they expose like this, they will also come out with the validation. No come out. I want to believe what? It is a prank. What do you think? Want to drop off a comment? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.